have heard about SLAM and nav2 in ROS. If you have not heard about it, let me break down for you. SLAM means simultaneous localization and mapping. Nav2 in ROS is nothing but the navigation. Keep this in your mind that SLAM and navigation are the concepts. We just use ROS to simplify this. Okay, just we use the Google Maps to do the navigation, then we also find the best route possible. Likewise, the navigation works, and SLAM is nothing but to map the environment. Okay, that might be the unknown environment for you. This is the SLAM and navigation part. Now, the SLAM and navigation in real life for the robot, the concept is fine, but we can simplify it using ROS2 by using the packages. Yes, the packages are SLAM toolbox for the SLAM part and cartographer. These are the two packages which are widely used for the 2D SLAM. There are of course more packages for the SLAM part, but it depends for the application. We will just focus on the SLAM toolbox and cartographer. SLAM toolbox is the package given by the community, by the ROS community, and cartographer is by Google. That's the difference. And navigation is nothing but the overall nav2 stack. Okay, nav2 stack in ROS2 gives the navigation capabilities. Previously in ROS1 it was a kind of in chunks, different chunks that we have to build the navigation from, but in ROS2 we have it all together so that we can directly use it. So it is very easy to use. These are nothing but the tools that we use to create the map, that is the SLAM toolbox or as the cartographer, and nav2 stack to give a robot a particular goal or else multiple goals to reach the particular destination. We can use these packages by using the official commands. These are the commands that we can use to install the SLAM packages and also the navigation packages. It depends on your application, having said that. And also this is all about SLAM and navigation. We don't have to just make all the things theoretical. We will move forward with the practical stuff as well in the coming days. This is just an overview like how SLAM and navigation in ROS2 works, just with the help of packages. It's not really very hard, and SLAM and navigation in concept is very important. Later on you can use any algorithm, any package, anything on it. That completely depends on you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.